The Wizard of Oz Part 1. You can see the picture of the lion and the wizard. This is the picture of Dorothy and her dog Toto. This is the Tin Woodman. So the name of the chapter is The Wizard of Oz Part 1. Okay. So here let us see the summary of the story. The Wonderful Wizard of Oz is a children's novel. The story is about the adventures of a girl named Dorothy. She lives in a farmhouse in Kansas with her uncle, aunt and dog Toto. One day the farmhouse with Dorothy inside is caught in a cyclone and is deposited on a field in the land of Oz. The falling house kills the wicked witch of the east. The good witch of the north gives Dorothy silver shoes. Dorothy wants to return to Kansas. The good witch tells Dorothy to go to Emerald City and seek the help of the Wizard of Oz. So here we see that this is a story of the adventures of the girl named Dorothy, and she lives in a farmhouse in Kansas with her uncle, aunt and her dog Toto. So one day there was a cyclone, and what happened is the hut got deposited on a field, and the falling house, it kills the wicked witch of the east. The good witch of the north, she tells Dorothy that you can go to the Oz, to the Oz, and you can just ask him to help you to go back to your home again. So now she tells her to go to the Emerald City. On her way to the Emerald City, she meets three friends: the Scarecrow, who wants a brain, the Tin Woodman, who wants a heart, and the Lion, who wants courage. So she meets these three friends: Scarecrow, Woodman, and the Lion. As friends, they travel to the Emerald City for help. Soon they meet the Oz. However, they are unable to see him in the beginning. Later, when they see him, he agrees to help them only after they kill the wicked witch of the west. So the Oz was ready to help the four of them, but he said that if they are able to kill the wicked witch of west, then only he will help them. Dorothy, along with the three friends, travels to put an end. The four travelers walked up to the great gate of the Emerald City and rang the bell. So four travelers means, who are the four travelers? Dorothy, the Tin Woodman, and the Scarecrow, okay, and also Toto, and the Lion also, okay. So after ringing several times, it was opened by the same guardian of the gates. So after ringing the bell for several times, who opened the gate? It was opened by the guardian. Guardian means a person who protects something, okay. So they had met before, so they had already met this guardian. When he heard that Dorothy had melted the wicked witch of the west, he was impressed. So when this guardian heard that Dorothy had already killed the wicked witch of the west, he was very much impressed. Good gracious. Good gracious means it is used for expressing a surprise, okay. Exclaimed the man. Exclaimed means said something suddenly and loudly. The man, and he bowed very low indeed before Dorothy. So he just showed respect. Out of respect, he bowed. Then he led them into his little room and locked the spectacles from the great box in all their eyes. So what did he do? He took out the spectacles, the green spectacles, and he told everyone to wear it so that everything looks green now. So this is the rule of the country, that whoever will enter the kingdom, they should wear the green spectacles. So that's why he has given this spectacles to everyone, the four of them, just as he had done before. Next, the soldier with the green whiskers. So the soldier was there with green whiskers. Why it is green? Because they are wearing the specs. So that's why the whiskers. What are whiskers? Whiskers are the hair growing on a man's upper lip. So it is also looking green in color. Was still on guard before the door, but he let them in at once, and they were again met by the beautiful green girl. They also saw a beautiful green girl. He met this green girl before also, so she was again very beautiful and green again because of the spectacles. Who who showed each of them to their old rooms at once, so they might rest until the great Oz was ready to receive them. So the beautiful girl told them to go and rest in their old rooms, and they will take rest. After some time, the great Oz will be ready to receive them. Next, the soldier had the news carried straight to the Oz that Dorothy and the other travelers had come back after destroying the wicked witch. So the soldier had the news that had carried the news to the Oz also, that Dorothy and the other travelers had come back again, and they had already destroyed. They have already damaged something. Destroying is damaging something. So here, what did they damage? They killed the wicked witch. Okay, the Oz sent word for them to come to the throne room at 4 minutes after 9 o'clock the next morning. So what was the message from the Oz? He said that he would meet them in the throne room, and he would meet at what time? At 9:04 next morning. Promptly means without delay. At 9 o'clock the next morning, the green whiskered soldier came to them, and 4 minutes later they all went into the throne room of the great Oz. So exactly at 9 o'clock the soldier came, and 4 minutes later they all went to the throne room of the great Oz. They were greatly surprised when they looked about and saw no one at all in the room. So they were greatly surprised because there was no one in the room. Okay. Presently they heard a solemn voice that seemed to come from somewhere near the top of the great dome, and it said, "I am Oz, the great and terrible. Why do you seek me?" So they could hear somebody saying these words. Why do you need me now? Okay. They looked again in every part of the room, and then, seeing no one, Dorothy asked, "Where are you?" So seeing nobody, Dorothy is asking that, "Where are you?" "I'm everywhere," answered the voice. "But to the eyes of people I am invisible. I will now sit myself upon my throne, so that you may converse with me." So now he's saying that I am everywhere, and to other people I am invisible. I will now seat myself. I will sit upon my throne, and so that you can talk to me. Converse means to talk. Indeed, the voice seemed just then to come straight from the throne itself. So they walked towards it and stood in a row while Dorothy said, so row means to stand in a line. Okay, "We have come to claim our promise, Oz." So now they are saying that now we have come here, Oz, so that you can also keep your promise. Was the Oz actually invisible? What do you think, children? "What promise?" asked the Oz. "You promised to send me back to Kansas when the wicked witch was destroyed," said the girl. So the Dorothy is saying, "What? That you promised that if I kill the witch, you will send me back to Kansas. And you promised to give me brains." Here we're saying that you promised me that you'll give me brains. "And you promised to give me heart." So Woodman is saying what? And Woodman is saying, "You also promised me to give me heart. And you promised me to give me courage. And you also promised me to give me courage." Who said this? It was said by the lion. "Is the wicked witch really destroyed?" asked the voice. Dorothy thought that it trembled a little. So now the Oz is asking that whether the wicked witch is really destroyed. "Yes," she answered. "I melted her with a bucket of water." So how did she kill her? She killed her with a bucket of water. She melted her. "Dear me," said the voice, "come to me tomorrow, for I must have time to think it over." If he's saying that, "Come to me tomorrow, I must have some time to think over it. Whatever I promised, I will tell you about it tomorrow." "You have had plenty of time already," said the Tin Woodman again. So the Tin Woodman was very angry, and he's saying what? That already you had enough time to think about it. The lion thought it might be just as well to frighten the wizard, so he gave a large loud roar. So the lion thought that now let me just frighten the wizard by just roaring. Okay. So this roar was so fierce. Fierce means very angry, and dreadful. Dreadful means very bad. Okay. That Toto jumped away from him in alarm and tipped over the screen that stood in a corner. So it was such a huge roar that it was such a dreadful roar that Toto the dog, he jumped away from him in an alarm and tipped over the screen that stood in the corner. So you can see in the screen, Toto is standing near the screen. So he went there. As it fell with a crash, they looked that way, and the next moment all of them were filled with wonder. They were all surprised, for they saw Standing in just the spot the screen had hidden a little old man with a bald head and a wrinkled face, who seemed to be as much surprised as they were. The Tin Woodman, raising his axe, rushed towards the little man and cried out, "Who are you?" So as Toto went there, the whole screen, it fell down. It was broken into pieces, and just after the screen, behind the screen there was a man, an old man with a bald head, means he had no hair at all, and he had a wrinkled face, means having lines or folds in the skin. So he seemed to be very much surprised, and all the others were also surprised. And the Tin Woodman just raised his axe in his hand. You can see in the picture also he's raising the axe, and he was asking, "Who are you?" "Are you not the great wizard?" cried Dorothy. Now Dorothy is saying what? That, "Are you not the great wizard?" "Hush, my dear," he said. "Don't speak so loud or you will be overheard." So the man is saying that don't speak so loudly, you will be overheard, means somebody else will hear you. "And I will be ruined, and I will be severely affected, severely destroyed. I am supposed to be the great wizard." Saying that I am supposed to be the great wizard. "Aren't you?" she said. So Dorothy is asking, "Aren't you the great wizard?" "Not a bit of it, my dear. I am just a common man." So he is saying that I am not a wizard, I am just a common man. "You are more than that," said the Scarecrow in a grieved tone. So the Scarecrow is saying that you are more than that. Grieved means in a sad way because of something unpleasant. "You are a humbug." Humbug means a man who intends to trick people, who is cheating people. "But this is terrible," said the Tin Woodman. "How shall I ever get my heart?" So the Tin Woodman is worried, and he's saying that how it is so terrible. How shall I get my heart like this if he's cheating? Or I my courage?" asked the lion. So the lion says, "How will I get up my courage or my brains?" wailed the Scarecrow. The Scarecrow is crying and saying that, "How will I get my brains?" "My dear friend," said the Oz, "I pray you not to speak of these little things. Don't speak about these things," the Oz is saying. "Think of me and the terrible trouble I am in at being found out." Now there's Oz is saying that don't think about your worries, you think about me. I am in a very terrible situation now because you have already found me out and you have found my truth. So I am more in a very bad situation now than yours. "Doesn't anyone else know you are a humbug?" asked Dorothy. So Dorothy is saying that she is asking that do anybody else also know? Doesn't anyone know about you that you are a humbug, that you are cheating, you are a cheater? "No one knows it but you four and myself." So they are saying that you four know about me and I myself know, replied the Oz. "I have fooled." Fool means tricked someone or believing something that is not true. So means it is cheating only. Okay, everyone, so long that I thought I will never be found out. Sit down please and I will tell you my story. So he said that now you sit down, I will tell you my story. So the moral value of the story is the truth cannot be hidden for long. So whatever you have truth, whatever you are really, you should always tell people. Otherwise when the truth will be found, you will be in danger. So the writer of the story is L. Frank Baum. Multiple choice questions, children. Number 1, take the correct answer. You can see, how did Dorothy destroy the Wicked Witch of the West? She melted the witch, she burned the witch, she pushed the witch down the stairs. So first option is the correct one, she melted the witch. Next, number 2, what color were the whiskers of the soldier? Red, blue or green? It will be green. So we will give a tick mark to green. Number 3, at what time did the Oz call the travelers to the throne room? 5 minutes after 9, 4 minutes after 9 or 4 minutes before 9. So the second option is correct, 4 minutes after 9. Okay.